Are you tired all day long? As your eyes start to close, do you ever think about what you should be doing before sleep? In this video, learn 5 things you can do before going to bed that will improve your sleep and overall health. 1. Cucumber slice on eyes. All you need is a refrigerated cucumber and a few extra minutes before sleeping. Cucumbers have been used for centuries as an eye remedy, and there are multiple reasons why they work wonders in this delicate area. One of the most common reasons for dark circles under the eyes is poor blood circulation to the area. So a cold cucumber is a natural way to keep that area from reddening and leaking fluid, which can lead to unsightly puffy bags. Sleep while placing the cucumber slices on your eyes and get your eye bags to go away. 2. No matter the day, there are a few habits you should adopt to help ensure a good night's sleep. Eating dinner before sleeping can keep your metabolism functioning as normal and help you better digest your food. Ideally, one should limit their mealtime to 2 hours before bedtime. 3. Smartphones are designed to make our lives easier and more productive, as well as entertain us and provide information. But the smartphone era has forced us to feel like we can never really log off, even when we're sleeping. That can have a negative effect on your health, and here's why. Studies have shown that the blue light emitted by your smartphone is bad for your vision. But it can be bad for your sleep too. Close your mobile before 1 hour to sleep. 4. Unhealthy junk food intake is a common nighttime behavior that can lead to poor sleeping habits and increased weight gain. Avoid foods high in tyramine such as cheese, figs, and olives. Eat a high-protein meal right before bed. Limit beverages with caffeine after 4 p.m. Cut out sodas and alcohol. 5. Take a bath with warm water before sleep. Why does the warm bath or shower help? There is science behind it. Our body temperature is not constant for 24 hours. It is higher in the morning and evening, and it is lowest during nighttime sleep. The body temperature needs to drop to initiate good sleep. When we take a warm bath or shower, the body brings a large amount of blood flow to the surface, especially the hands and feet. This blood flow brings the heat from the core to the surface and rejects the heat to the environment and causes a drop in body temperature. Therefore, if you take a warm bath or shower at the right biological time, 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, it will aid your natural circadian process and improve your sleep. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel and share the video, press the bell icon.